Okay, I can bill it before single billing or mass billing. So when you bill any item, be it single billing or mass billing, this bill from date is very important. This one means we cannot bill it before this particular date. Okay, I can bill it before that. Sorry, I can bill it after that or on that date. So on or after this date, this can be billed. So if I select the 4 line items and the bill from date is 31st 12, if I try to bill it on billing process, if I try to bill it on 30/12/2024, just one day prior, does the system allow me? No billable item selected or qualified for billing. Okay, it will not allow me. So I have to enter on or above that date. But if you want to ignore that message, you can do it using expert mode. Okay, expert mode means it will not refer to the scheduling. Again, if I want to tie back this example, remember we learned about security deposit. To release a security deposit, there were a couple of conditions, standard condition. The conditions were a particular time period has to be passed and a particular credit worthiness customer has to be under a particular credit worthiness point. Say it is 80. If the customer is having more than 80 credit worthiness, even though the release period is gone past, I will not release. Okay, so there was a bad job FPRL. Via FPRL we release it. However, if you want to release it before, that is you don't want to uh, adhere to the conditions, the two condition, meaning the time period is in future or the customer is having 85 credit worthiness. Okay, then also you can do an expert mode, that is in FP sec 2 there is a release button. So if you use the FP sec 2 release button, then this condition, even though they are not respected, still that can be released. So expert mode can be FP sec 2 release, not the FPRL release. FPRL batch release waits for the condition to be fulfilled, but if the customer is a VIP customer, you can also release it before. So the expert mode does the same thing. So if I try to release it, sorry, if I try to bill it, see under, so here we saw that uh, before date it did not allow with normal execution, but if I go for expert mode, hang on, expert mode though allows me, or does it allow only in the invoicing? Okay, hang on, let me check if there is any issue with the with today's date only. No billable items
No,
selected or qualified.
billing date should be bill from date.
No, I can go above, I can go above the bill from date. Why doesn't it allow me to run above? If I use only bill from date, that's fine, but above bill from date it should also allow. No, there is some issue. No billable items selected or qualified for billing. There is something wrong here. Uh, let me generate a new bit, then I'll build them. Okay. Maybe something will identify /o AC38.
So we can select only one row and we can try.
Yeah, let me generate a new billable item, then we will build that right away. Let's see. So get the variant Z102 bits. Okay, so here everything are having same origin baseline date. So to distinguish, let me change this one. Say first of maybe it is from 5th of December to 5th of January, so that I can distinguish that this is my new one. 5th of January 2025. Okay, and amount also I will change so that I can distinguish. Say this is 25.50. The points are used here as a comma. 25.50. Okay. Generate the billable item. Billable item, it's in billable status. Select. So it has bill from date as 5/1/25, and if I bill it today, which is after 5/1/25, does it allow? Number of generator. What is this? Billing end date. Okay. Somewhere I have, but this error it was not showing me. Display, display, display. How am I locking it? S4 FICA 25. I am using S4 FICA 25. Display, display. How come? Maybe I'll close it. Package Z102, but I came out of everywhere. This one also I'll come out, and this is I'm also in display mode. Okay, I'll try to build again. So I'll just refresh. If you refresh, the other ones will come. Will be also sometimes the other ones also come back. Now I have opened only one screen and select bill. Okay, that's fine. Today's date is beyond bill from date. If I try to execute, no billable items have qualified for execution of billing. Choose a different billing process. Choose a different billing date that is greater than or equal to target billing date. Start billing date in expert mode. Assign billing unit number to the billable items that is not initial. Sub process. Some of the assignment is incorrect, which is it is not pointing out. Let's go to the assignment. First it showed locked. Let's go to the config and see if I have mistakenly done something. Billing process. My billing process is Z102 and I have assigned sub process also Z102. Selection variant, grouping variant, billing type. External control is not needed, I guess. Invoicing category though I have not configured yet. Then selection variant Z102. Bit class I have assigned Z102, Z102. Then I did not assign any further bit types. That's fine. Let me check anything. So this one GC30. Okay, here also nothing is there and nothing is there. I think during the selection variant only it is causing an issue because grouping it comes later. uh, SO24, SO24. Okay, here I configured the billing. That's fine. But in the ZC30 batch, here I did not configure and it worked. Against the bit class, I did not assign any bit types. That's fine. Grouping, ZC30 bit currency bookers sub process. So bookers, sub process I did two here, bit currency three. That's fine. That will not cause any issue. I did not add any alternative grouping, I guess. Yeah. C102. Uh, that's fine. This ranking will not affect anything. There is no alternative grouping. Billing item type. Here I may have done something. Uh, Z102, Z102 sub process. B-level item type Z103, Z104, Z105. Okay. 102, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is also fine. Aggregation not required, not mandatory. This is also not needed. Why is it not letting me? Here also I have assigned for my billing process, billing type. Source document Z102, Z12. This is strange. Let me do slash nex. Let me reopen the server and let me try again. Just give me a moment. Let me find the credentials. Okay. SC38. I'll create one more. 'Visibly, I don't see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1. This is 10, 1. Billing process 102. Billing. Okay. Let me compare the billing process config. No, I did config. I did compare. Billing could not be performed. One of the following reasons: there are no billable items for the contract account. Contract account related nothing. Contract account is this. Then no billable items are selected manually in the dialog processing. Okay, let me add the bit types. I ideally will not need, but let me add that in the selection process. And the other error is the billable items that were selected in dialog cannot be processed in this process according to the selection control of billing process Z102. In the selection control, let me specifically add the billable item types also. Ideally, I will not need that slash o FICA IMG convergent invoicing billing process selection variant. My selection variant Z102 says my billing bit class is C102, and here I will assign billable item types. Okay, ideally I will not need, but let me assign Z102, 103, Z103, Z104, Z104, Z105. I don't exclude, I want them to be part of the billing. Let me see source transaction type. This is also not needed. Okay, save. Now let me see if there is any impact. Refresh bill. No. This happened earlier where I did 102 is assigned to 103. Okay, so during billing, I need billing process and sub process. Both of them are linked, I guess. Billing process and sub process. Billing process is 102 and sub process is also 102. For the other one, anything CC30, sub process is CC30. Invoicing process I have not configured yet, but rest all looks same. Yeah. And no external control as well. Just give me a moment. Let me try to bill any previous days. Then we will see if there is any change. Slash o fkk bix bit underscore mon bit class gc30. Do I have any billable item left? Okay, I have quite a few now. If I want 30, 31, 32, 33. Yeah. Now if I try to bill them, billing process is gc30. Bill from date is 15/4. This is in past. This is allowing. Exact same config. Why isn't it allowing? Billing is also generated for the previous batch. Item types I have configured. If I add incorrect bit type, what is the error then? Incorrect billing process. Acha, it will tell me exactly what is wrong, but right now it is not telling me what is incorrect. Bill in the CA. Did we change anything apart from the scheduling, billing cycle scheduling? That is not necessary right now. I thought of I'll complete billing at least by today and start invoicing. Sub process which class is already linked, and sub process billing process is also linked. Main and sub transactions 5234.
Sabri, can you go to error message once?
Where?
That error message.
Okay.
Also, Subhadra, if I can check that AD ID, there were two AD ID and were configured for
ADID will
this.
come during invoicing. Right now it will not come. Yes, I remember there are two. So I plan to configure that during invoicing.
Also, what is that meaning for this prepaid checkbox?
Billable items
That
that
will
were
come from CC. Prepaid means wallet. If wallet is maintained, they will send the prepaid bits.
And can we try only with one row, only with one item? I think
Someone was
same
asking.
error will come, but
Mhm.
yeah.
Billing unit number. Grouping key of the creation of billing unit and also their internal name. Let me see in the grouping side if the configs are matching. Mm, Grouping variant 30. Oh, this one I have checked. Let me change the rank also. Bit currency 3, bookers 1, sub process 2. Let me try that also. Z102, grouping characteristics. Bookers 1, bit currency 3, sub process 2. Save. Should not control anything, but let me see. Select bill. Same error.
Choose the billing date that is greater or equal to target billing date.
Yeah,
And
my billing date is greater than I'm using 10/1.
right.
I hope I'm using 2025. 25 only. 10/1 is greater than 6/1.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Does it let me do the simulation also? No. Okay, do one thing. I will check this error and maybe I will show it on Monday. If it is not working, I don't want to waste your time. I will fix it today, and on Monday I'll show it. Okay, I'll continue from here on Monday. Okay.
You don't. Can we try one more time? Okay, can we just try to remove the source transaction ID from the group? Was that okay?
From
Grouping variant, I feel. We have a ranking of three things, huh?
I removed source. I don't have any right now. I don't have any source transaction type. I did yesterday. Then when I started only there, I removed the source transaction type.
Okay, I will also try it from my side.
I'll figure it out. I'll show you on Monday. Okay. We'll stop here. There must be some issue. Then we'll continue on Monday. Okay. Thank you. Happy weekend.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Subhadra.
Thank you.